Hey bestie, I'm back with another tutorial on how to make money from the comfort of your home. And the sweet thing about this one is you're going to make money from just doing what you love doing what excites you, doing what makes you happy, such as watching clips, playing games, right? Listening to music, and equally watching movies. Then finally, answering simple and easy questions. The one that is busting my head the most is the fact that you can make as much as $10 daily on this particular app or website just by performing simple tasks. And the sweet thing about this one is the fact that you can use it on your iPhone, you can use it on your Android phone, you can use it on your Windows, which is your system, right? So you can be anywhere and perform these tasks or do what you love doing and make money out of it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alice. On this channel, I share tips on how to make money online, tips on how to make passive income, freelancing, remote work, and how to grow. If this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to subscribe, comment, and share so this video can get to more audience. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So whenever I post a video like this, you get notification from YouTube.
The name of the website is Rewardy. If you've not registered, please do it to register. If you've not registered, you click on register here. But if you've registered, you click on login and enter your login details and then continue. But if you've not registered, you come and click on register. Let's register. On this part, you're going to enter your username, the name you want to use. I'm going to enter Glory. That's my username. And then on this part, I'm going to enter my email address. I'm just going to enter my email address. After entering my email address, I'm going to enter my password. Just going to create my password or possibly tell Google to create password for me. And then I'll click on this part and say I'm not a robot. Once you click on that part, you come and click on this part and say I agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy. Once you click on it, then you click on register. Once I click on verify, it's going to bring me to the page where I need to confirm my email. It says email confirmation, enter the 6-digit verification code you send that mail. I'm just going to get the 6-digit code for my email and then enter it. After entering it, I'll click on verify. Once it said your account has been verified successfully, redirecting you to the main page. I'm waiting for it to redirect me to the main page. I'm done registering. It's going to bring me to this home page, and then it's showing us that you can earn money installing apps. You can earn money so much. You can earn money listening to music. Then when you scroll down, you can see on this part that it said it has over 18,000 users, registered users, and an average person withdrew $5.73 yesterday. That means people equally withdraw more than that or even less than that on this app. That's why I said you can make as much as $10 from this app daily. And then the total earnings is about $935,000. So if you go down, let's go and see how it works. To see how it works, you sign up, register with an account, or log in through your existing Google or to reach accounts with the click of a button. Then you earn points. Earn point by listening to music, playing games, watching streams, taking quizzes and surveys. And then the withdrawal method, you can exchange your points for cash via PayPal, cryptocurrency, gift cards, cash outs when you want. Then these are favorite rewards. They say why you would choose Rewardy app, that you can get exclusive earning methods that are available worldwide. That means you can be anywhere and cash out from Rewardy app. That is, Nigeria is not an exception. Whichever country you find yourself, you can get paid from Rewardy app. And then they have a fast payment method. You can start withdrawing from $2. If you've made as much as $2, you can actually withdraw your money. And then there's frequent giveaway, and then they have a 24 hours customer service, and then you can earn over $5 a day listening to music. That's why I said you can earn up to $10 in a day. They said over $5. Let's go back and click on and start earning, so I can show you how you can earn money from the Rewardy app. When I click on start earning, you can see that you can earn from completing offers, you can earn from watching streams, you can earn from listening to music, you can earn from watching clips, earn from taking quizzes, earn from playing Flappy Bird, earn from daily challenge, earn from inviting friends, earn from joining the raffle and then the bonus points. So I'm going to start on the complete offer. So I'll show you how to make money from the Rewardy app. Click on the complete offer, you can see that there are offers here that you can complete, and then you get paid for it, right? So once you click on any of them, you complete the offer and then you get paid. You can see this Flappy. So you can earn money from just performing simple tasks here. This one you can earn $1.5 from just performing this task. Let's view this offer. Once you view this offer, you're going to see that you earn 1,560 points. Just guess the flag, and then you will now earn points. These are the points you're going to earn. And then it's saying open the app and test your word flag knowledge. Have fun learning while getting rewarded for every correct guess. After installing the app, you have to input the rewarding user ID. This is the ID you are going to input. You can go ahead. And this is the disclaimer offer. This is a disclaimer here. It says repeatable offer. You must complete a minimum of 13 levels per day and 390 levels per month. Each level can only be completed once per month. The offer resets the beginning of every month. This is saying that you have to complete about 13 levels per day and then 390 levels per month for each month. And then this offer resets itself at the end of every month or the beginning of every new month. So if you want to start the offer, you're going to click on start the offer and go ahead. Let's go back to this is the watch stream. So this is the watch stream. You click on, if you want to watch streams to make money, you click on watch stream. So these are streams you can watch and make points out of it. So after making this point, then you convert these points to money and then cash out of it. You can see how much you can make from this. These are streams you can watch and make money out of the stream. And this is listening to music. Once you click on listen to music, it's telling you that you have to install or open the application and then enter your reward username, which is, this is my username. Then choose earnings rate, pop rewards every 5 minutes, rock every 10 minutes, and country every 15 minutes. Earn 1 to 10 points and 1 raffle ticket every time when the timer expires. This is available on only Android because the iOS is disabled. Then you have to install this app so that you can listen to music and then make money out of it. This one is to watch clips. Once you click on it, it's still the same procedure that you have to install this application on your phone and then make money out of it. And then this one is only available on Android too, not available on iOS. The next one is take quizzes. Click on take quizzes. These are where you can take quizzes from. It says choose a short random quiz under the fun categories to learn the most random facts. Get 100% of the quiz, can be completed every 1 hour. You can see for yourself that you can complete quiz on different aspects, on television, on culture, on social studies, on science. That's why I said you can equally do quizzes on subjects and still make money out of it. You can do quiz on any of these and then make money out of it. You understand? Let's go back to the next one. Let me talk about the next one. The next one is to play Flappy Bird. I believe this is a game. So you have to install the app. It says install, open the application, enter your rewarding username, play the game, and try to stay in the top 50 of the chair of the leaderboard before the daily reset to win points. Earn 1 boost points and 1 raffle ticket for every 5 health you use, limited to once every 5 minutes. And this is available to only on the Android, right? So that you can play game and earn money. Then this daily challenge, when you click on daily challenge, you say your daily earnings, earn 1,000 or more points every 24 hours to keep your streak active. So you have to claim these things, right? You have to do your daily challenge and then claim these points. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is inviting friends. Once you click on inviting friends, this is where you can copy your referral link and send to friends. And it's saying for every user you invite, you earn up to 5% of all the withdrawals for a lifetime. So for everybody you refer, you will earn up to 5% of the person's withdrawal till the person stops using the rewarding app. And then these are shareable links, right? They're shareable links. Let's go and talk about the next one, which is the join raffle. This place you play raffle, and then you need points to play this raffle. And for now, we don't have any points available. So if you want to know how to get, you need points and tickets. So if you want to know how to get tickets, you just come and click on this ticket. It's saying to join the raffle, you need tickets which you can get in 4 different ways. You can complete quizzes and get 1 ticket. You can watch clips and get 5 tickets and get 1 ticket every 5 minutes. You can listen to music and get 1 ticket every 5 to 15 minutes. You can play Flappy Bird and get 1 ticket every 5 minutes. So if you can remember on the Flappy Bird watching movies, you can see that they say we can earn tickets. If we complete those tasks, you can just earn tickets and then come and use them to do the raffle draw. The last one I'm going to be talking about is the bonus point. Now, on this bonus point, they say promotional code. Follow our social media to find out which codes are shared. So on this bonus point, you can only get this bonus point from the social media handles. So you have to follow them on social media handles. That's where they share this promotional codes, and then you copy it, you come and paste, and then you claim it. You understand? These are the social media handles that you can follow. They have on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Rabbit. They have on TikTok. You follow them and then get promotional codes and then come and make money out of it. So if you want, let's talk about the withdrawal part of this rewarding. Once you want to withdraw your money, you just come and click on withdraw. You can see that you can withdraw your money through PayPal, through Litecoin. There are so many Bitcoin gift cards, so there are so many means you can actually withdraw your money through the rewarding app. But then the most recommended one that they recommend most is the Litecoins. I would say you should always research on all these tips I am putting out, on all this tutorial I'm putting out on how to make money online, if it's the best fit for you, or if it's really what you want to do, or if it's really worth it for you to. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.